Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Guys, market's in a very interesting place now. Okay, so as we know, it has been falling for 2 days continuously and it was a very big fall. Scary fall, almost 1000 points of fall. People were scared. But if you guys see, market has it just went up 1% up. Okay, this was a scary fall and then it went up. So let's see how market's gonna work for us tomorrow. Okay, if you guys see, Nifty is also in a very interesting level now. So because Bank Nifty is kind of looking positive to me, I might go long even in Nifty if it breaches few of my levels. That is, if it breaches about 21,820 and above, I will be looking forward to buy it, and my target will be at 21,960. Okay, this is the first target because there is small resistance here, so this will be the target. And in Bank Nifty and sell in Nifty, I will be only selling post 21,715. Okay, only post this I will be looking forward to sell it. Oh sorry, like this, yeah. 21,715 and below is where I'll be looking forward to sell it. Downside, we do have very good potential probability, but because the market is kind of in a middle ground now, so we will trade the way direction market chooses. Okay, see, there's a W pattern and the neckline is trying to break now. Once it breaks, there is a high probability for it to go. Next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, if you guys see, this is a trend line in 15 minutes time frame, which is a clear trend line in 15 minutes time frame. It has given a break now. It has to come down and then go up. Okay, so there's nothing wrong buying here, but my stop loss will be pretty big if I buy. See, 150 point is very big stop loss, so I might not go there, but I'll wait for a pullback. Once it gives a small pullback, I'll enter. So 45,665 and above, I will be looking forward to buy it. My stop loss will be depending on the candle, the first candle or the second candle. Okay, and my first target will be at 45,960. Next is US oil. US oil on a daily time frame. This is a fresh analysis. If you guys see, this is a very clear resistance. Some people draw it like this because it was clear. Okay, because this was very clear. Some people drew it like this, but unfortunately, market stayed sideways here. Market stayed sideways. So what we did, we removed it and we drew this kind of a trend line. If you guys see, this angle of a trend line is really good. 45-degree angle is what people prefer. Okay, but this is also not wrong. This is also not wrong because trend line works in very different ways. So if you guys see, it has been consolidating here for a very long time. This is the history, and history has repeated here, but it is keep on giving higher highs. Okay, so lows are shifting above. If you guys see this is a high, then next, and this. And if you guys see, these highs are also shifting above. The lows are shifting above, highs are shifting above. So if it breaches above $77.30, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and I'm taking this forward positionally. That is, I'll hold even for months. Okay, I'll hold even for months. I'm sorry, this is the thing. Yeah, so above $77.30 or 40 cents, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and I'll be holding for months. I don't have any issues because if you guys see, this was almost from September 23 to for 77 days. Okay, let's keep it 3.5 months. This is for 3.5 months, so I might hold it for more also because upside momentum goes slow. Okay, down it falls. Like when the market is going on a sell side, it falls very fast. When it's going on up, it goes very fast. It goes very slow. So above this $77.40, I'll be looking forward to buy. Okay, next is gold. Gold on a weekly time frame, if you guys see, this was a very good consolidation sideway market. Before that, it rallied in sideway market. Now it is at a very good crucial level. On 4-hour time frame also, if you guys see, this is a very good trend line coming from here. It's a very good trend line. You can even draw this trend line like this because there is a touch here, touch. Yes, it is at a very good level now. This is a very good level for it. If it breaches above 2045 and above, I will be looking forward to buy, and my stop loss will be inside this zone, somewhere on this candle. Okay, depending on the candle, it will be somewhere. If it breaches, we can definitely see a good upside momentum. If it comes down, then we can definitely see a downside momentum, but downside will be volatile because there are so many supports here. There is one support here, one support here, one immediate support here, Then we have another immediate support here. But if you guys see, these ups are being shifted. If you guys see, these lows are being shifted above with a very good gap. Now if you guys see, this gaps are also becoming small. You see, this is a big gap, then big, smaller, now it's very small. So next there's a very high probability for it to go up. So let's wait and watch how it's gonna go, then we can definitely buy it. Okay, so we have 5 stocks for swing trading. First is Salona on a weekly time frame. If you guys see, this is a VCP pattern. VCP pattern will be, it's kind of a little advanced pattern. Only people who know to read the candles, they'll be able to understand this. So it is nothing but the lowest shifting up, shifting higher and high, and higher shifting lower and low, and there is a squeeze point, and after squeeze point we can see a blast above. Okay, that is what this is. So if I get a price of 342, 343, 345 above, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss would be at 330. Next is Vodafone on a weekly time frame. This is a very good resistance. After the resistance, it is given a breakout. So this was a breakout, and this is a very good retest, and now it's up again. Okay, now it's up again, and this is a trend line. If you guys see, this is a very good trend line. Okay, this is a very good trend line on a weekly time frame, and it is given a breakout. So I will be looking forward to buy this at 16 rupees or something. 16 rupees to 14 rupees, anywhere I get, I'll be buying it, and my stop loss will be at 13 rupees. Okay, and next is Aarti Industries. Aarti Industries is a very good stock. I've traded this a lot of times. It is a good stock because it has given me good profit on this levels and all. Now again, after this downtrend, the trend has been changed because the lows have been shifted. So if we get a price of 661 to 665, I'll be looking forward to buy it and hold it till 847 or 845 rupees. Okay, next one is Finolex. This is a very clear pattern. This is a trend line going above, and this is forming as a base. If you guys see, sellers are trying to push it but not happening. Sellers are trying to push it, not happening. So buyers are unable to take the price up, and sellers are unable to push it more than this limit. So what happening here is, most probably once they reach this squeeze point, it will blast up because the buyers are pushing it non-stop above. So buyers are stronger here. If you guys see, buyers are stronger here. They're getting stronger and stronger because how much ever big selling comes, they're pushing it above. So what we can do is 218 to 290 rupees, we can definitely buy this and keep a stop loss at 209 rupees and hold this, or we can buy post 250 rupees. Okay, next is Pidilite. If we see, same again, it's a triangle pattern on a weekly time frame. Let's get rid of this volume. Yeah, so triangle pattern on a weekly time frame, which is getting squeezed now. So if it crosses about 2730 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it, or 2740 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss would be at 2680. Okay, next is Trident. No, Triveni. Okay, Triveni Turbines. If you guys see, it was consolidating in this zone for almost 278 days. Now it is given a breakout on a daily time frame. If we see, this is kind of a retest, but we can definitely look forward for a deeper retest too. But risk takers can buy it here. Buy it and keep your stop loss at 420 rupees or 425 rupees. So I'll be entering this at 465 to 480 somewhere, and my stop loss will be at 427 or 425. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got something to learn in this video. This is just my view on the market and how I'm gonna trade it. What are my plans for upcoming week and days. So that's it for today's video. Please like, share and subscribe. Do support. I'll be giving more valuable contents on upcoming days. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.